As part of the OTIA 3 State Bridge Delivery Program, the Oregon Department of Transportation is repairing or replacing 365 highway bridges statewide. One of the greatest challenges arose at the Elk Creek bridges. Nestled deep in the pristine coastal range, linking the town of Elkton with the Oregon coast to the west and Interstate 5 to the east, the two bridges feed into a tunnel through a steep hillside, making it necessary for ODOT to get creative in its approach to repairing these bridges.
On a typical bridge, we would oftentimes build a detour around the existing structure, demolish the existing structure while traffic was on the detour, replace the structure, and remove the detour and put traffic back on the new bridge. The design builder who won the contract decided that it was less expensive and it was probably considerably safer to go to rapid reconstruction, which allowed him to keep both lanes open at both sites pretty much up until the time that he was ready to slide the bridges.
There's lots of different types of rapid replacements. More or less, rapid replacement is, in some way, shape, or form, it's an acceleration of construction. You do certain things so you can accelerate the process of building the structure.
The bridges were over 200 feet long, 222 feet, 38 feet wide, 2.5 million pounds. Planning that needs to go ahead with that is you need to be very careful about how the structure fits together in the final configuration.
We're actually building the new structure alongside the existing. We're building all the new substructure underneath the existing bridge while traffic maintains on the existing bridge.
At 9 o'clock on Friday evening, crews began the process of demolishing the existing bridge by cutting away the guardrails and the concrete that joined the bridge to the roadway. Saturday morning, the new Elk Creek Tunnel Bridge was ready to begin its journey into its new home on the Umpqua Highway.
Rapid replacement allowed us to construct the bridge entirely to one side, as is shown, and then remove the old bridge in a quick manner and put the new bridge in very quickly and get traffic back on in less than a weekend.
Much to everyone's delight, the process went so smoothly the Elk Creek Tunnel Bridge reopened 9 hours earlier than expected, just in time for Monday morning commuters.
The contractor started the work on Friday evening and finished on Sunday night, so he actually finished early. He was allowed to work until 5 a.m. on Monday morning.
The Elk Creek project is part of a statewide program ODOT began in 2003 to address Oregon's aging highway bridges. Oregonians haven't seen an investment of this magnitude in our highways and bridges in 50 years, since the interstate system was built in the 1950s and 60s.
The second structure, the one on the west side of the tunnel, should be just like the first one. And if things go like the first one went, they'll probably finish early. This one's a little different because the bridge itself is different. This is a steel bridge. It's a little bit longer than the first bridge was. The first bridge was concrete. And this bridge is curved. The other bridge was straight. So there are a few more complications, I think, to this site. But all in all, it should be very simple.
Everything has just been going smoothly. There hasn't been a drastic downfall for any of the local businesses, or everything's going great.
The town of Elkton has long been a gateway to the Oregon coast for travelers on Oregon 38. Now, Elkton serves as a showcase for innovative technologies and a future of better highways and bridges.